Hello everyone, my name is Siti Sarah and today I will interview people about their reading habits. So this interview purpose is to learn more about how people see reading in their daily lives. And thank you for joining this interview. I already have my first interviewee. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Rashid.
Okay, so I will ask you
Okay.
three questions about your reading habits. The first question is, what kind of books or article do you usually enjoy reading?
I don't enjoy by reading articles, but my daily life or in the whole of my life, I enjoy by reading novel and some short story or maybe novelette.
Oh,
That
okay.
three writing that always I read in my daily life.
Okay, so you usually read novel,
Yeah.
short story, and
Novelette.
novel.
Yes.
Okay. So next question is, how do you think reading influence your daily life or way of thinking?
It depends on our reading, on which novel that we read. At the last time I read some novel from Canada that titled Janji, and it influenced me to read more and more articles about religion. Yeah, by reading this novel, I got influenced uh, to influence myself by reading more religion content. Yes.
I see. So, in your opinion, it's depend on what kind of books or
Yeah.
something you read, and that
Of course.
influence many things in way of thinking.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
For example, like you
The
reading
novel.
religion more.
Yes, because of that novel.
Because of Janji novel. Okay, the last question is, do you think young people today still have an interest in reading?
I think a lot of people today still have interest in reading, but not only in books. They also read in their own mobile phone, in their social media. I think it's always the way of reading and the way that can change their thinking style maybe by reading not only in books but only in e-books or in mobile phone and social media.
Okay, so in Rashid opinions that reading is not only reading books but also reading social media or anything kinds of writing that you can read on social media or something else, and you also have influence lot of things. I mean, like the way of you thinking or anything you can take from what you already, what content you just read. Okay, so thank you for your time and by sharing your thoughts and experience. Thank you so much, Rosit. Okay, guys, so I have my second interviewee. So what's your name?
My name is Tidak.
Okay, Nida. May I ask you about your reading habits?
Sure.
So the first question is, what kind of books or article do you usually enjoy reading?
I don't usually read articles, but I read a lot of novels since I was 15 years old.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, the next question is, how does reading influence your daily life or way of thinking?
Neither would, because I usually read a lot of sci-fi, comedy, so it doesn't really affect my way of thinking.
Oh, I see. But you just enjoy reading.
Yeah, I just enjoy reading.
Okay, the last question is, do you think young people today have an interest in reading? Why?
If you consider us as young people, yes. A lot of my friends read a lot of novels, like short story, something like that. But if you consider younger people, they more like they don't really like reading.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are several types of people that enjoy reading and not enjoy
Younger people
reading.
like animated more,
I
like
see.
visual.
Visual, like movie or something.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your experience in reading. I hope people who view this interview can be motivated to more reading a lot of books or anything kind of works that you can read. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is my last interview. So what's your name?
Okay, let me introduce myself. First, my name is Emilia Rizkia and I'm come from class 3E.
Okay, yeah, I will ask you about your reading habits. Okay, the first question is, what kind of books or article do you enjoy reading?
Okay, I usually reading novel and also some academic articles that related to our literature.
Okay, so you enjoy novel and academic articles.
Yeah.
The second question is, how does reading influence your daily life or way of thinking?
Okay, reading influenced me a lot of things, such as makes me think critically and also understanding other people's perspective. That's it.
Okay, so reading help you to critically in thinking and also can see something in other kind of point of view.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so that's great.
Yeah.
And the last question I want to ask is, do you think young people today still have an interest in reading?
Yes, I think there's so many young people in this generation that still have
Interesting.
interesting in read, but the way they read has changed. For this generation, they just read some short story or just a content in social media.
Oh, I see. And so, in your opinion, that we do have interest in reading, but the way of we read is different than how it usually works. Like we enjoy reading social media and short story.
Yeah,
and kind
that's
of
what I
that.
mean, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and
Okay.
experience in reading, and I
Yeah.
hope people who watch this interview be motivated to reading more and more and more. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Bye.
Guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for your attention and watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.